I'm going to rank every single income stream in my online business, the real numbers, the real pros and cons, how easy each one is to start, and I'll give each of them a passive income score. So you can figure out exactly which one makes the most sense for you to start right now based on where you're currently at. These income streams are making me around $5,235 per week right now. And it's actually more because this screenshot was taken from my CRM, and brand deals, affiliate money, and AdSense are in separate platforms. And fair warning, I'm not going to gatekeep anything in this video. This is exactly how it is. I did $569,547 in digital product sales over the last year. This is 2 screenshots from my P&L that I combined into Canva because the P&L is like several pages long and I couldn't fit it on one screenshot. And I built this whole thing starting from $0. Quick note, this is not financial advice and I cannot guarantee you results. What I can do is show you what's worked for me so you can make an informed decision for yourself. This is also not a get rich quick thing. This is how to build a real online business. It will take work, but I'm going to show you the simple way to do it. And at the end, I'll tell you exactly which income stream I'd recommend for you to start first. So get cozy, grab a pen, and let's dive in. The first income stream is low ticket digital products. This income stream is the one I always recommend starting with, and it's the one that quietly made me $500,000 from a 13-page PDF. A low ticket digital product is any digital file that you sell for under $199. Think ebooks, PDF guides, templates, or mini workshops. You create it once, sell it over and over, and never have to touch it again after the sale goes through. So one of my first digital products ever was an ebook called Model Call. And I created it because photographers kept coming to me asking how I booked so many photography clients, because that was their number one pain point. They always needed and wanted more clients. So I listened, I packaged up exactly what I was already doing, turned it into a 13-page PDF, priced it at $59, and sold it to the following that I'd grown online organically. That little book went on to do over $500,000 in revenue. Yes, from a 13-page PDF. Here's what I love about low ticket digital products. You are literally just taking a process that you already have and packaging it up. You don't have to coach anyone. You don't have to show up live. You don't have to run a community. Once someone downloads it, your fulfillment is 100% done. And with tools like Claude and Whisperflow, you can literally speak your knowledge out loud, feed it into Claude, and have a finished ebook drafted and designed in no time. The barrier to entry here is so low, and it's one I believe that personally anyone could do. So let's get into the pros and cons. The pros are it's easy to create, easy to sell because people love low risk purchases that solve real problems, no ongoing fulfillment, and a great starting point. Cons: no recurring revenue. Every month starts at $0. You can't typically charge more than around $199 for an ebook or other low ticket digital product. But for a first digital product, this is where I would start every single time. So now let's score it. Passive income score, I would give this 8 out of 10. Once it's created and set up in a funnel and you have traffic getting sent to it, it is essentially on autopilot. The beauty of a low ticket digital product is that it's the fastest path from I have knowledge to I'm making money. You just need to actually do it. And if you're ready to learn what type of digital product you should sell, how to sell it, and how to get to 10K months, check out my free on-demand training, How to Create and Sell Your Own Digital Products with YouTube. The link is in the description below this video. My second income stream is YouTube AdSense. This is an income stream I never even tried to build, and now it pays me around $3,601 per month just for posting videos on YouTube. YouTube AdSense is the revenue YouTube pays you for placing ads on your videos. You apply once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. And from that point on, every video you publish and every video ever published earns money when people watch the video. Here's the thing about YouTube AdSense. I never actually set out to earn it. It just happened as my channel grew. But now if I average out the last 12 months, I make around $3,000 per month just from AdSense. That is money I earned by making videos I was going to make anyway to grow my business. Wild, right? Now I want to be real with you. YouTube, long form like the video you're watching now, not shorts, is harder to start than Instagram or TikTok. You'll want to do your research, script your videos, record them, etc. But what I've found is that YouTube has the least competition and the highest quality audience of any platform I've ever used. I actually tested 6 different platforms over a 6-month period. We're talking Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, blogging, and YouTube won by a landslide. landslide. It got me more email leads, more sales, and more income opportunities than every other platform combined. To start earning AdSense, you just need to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, then apply, and that's it. YouTube does the rest. So let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: you get paid to create content you're already making. It's genuinely extra money that compounds over time as your channel grows. Cons: honestly, I'm struggling to think of a real con. It takes time to get monetized, but once you are, it's pure upside. You don't have to do anything differently, so let's score it. Passive income score, I would give this 9 out of 10. Once you're monetized, AdSense just runs in the background. Every video you've ever made keeps earning. And that's as passive as it gets. AdSense is what I'd call a beautiful side effect of doing the right things on YouTube. You build your channel to sell your digital products, and AdSense just shows up as a bonus. It's not your primary income strategy, it's the cherry on top. Income stream number 3 is brand deals. Brand deals sound glamorous and they can pay well, but here's the honest truth about what it actually takes to land and execute one. A brand deal is when a company pays you to promote their product or service inside of your YouTube video. It can be a short segment or a full dedicated video built around their brand. The payment varies wildly based on your channel size, your niche, and your view count. When I started YouTube, I didn't even know brand deals were a thing. I saw other channels doing them, I found a brand deal manager, and they just started coming in from there. My very first brand deal was $500. As my channel grew, that went up to $1,200, then $2,500, and now I'm somewhere between $2,500 and $4,000 per brand deal, depending on the deal. Last year, I made around $50,000 from brand deals total. There are 2 main types of brand deals: segment brand deals, where it's a 30 to 90 second segment ad inside of your video, and dedicated deals, where your entire video is built around the brand like a software tutorial. Here's what I want you to know though, because no one talks about this. Brand deals are a lot more work than people make them sound online. I have a brand deal manager who brings them in. I have an ops person who facilitates the back and forth about requirements, reviews the script, coordinates with my video editor, sends it to the brand for approval. Then we get it back and we publish on a specific date. It is a process, let me tell you. So let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: they can be really good money. Sometimes a brand books like 10 videos at once, which means you can land a 5 or 6 figure brand deal from a single deal. Cons: very inconsistent. You never know when they're coming. Also, a lot more work and coordination than most people realize. They're not easy to scale. I would not build a business model around brand deals personally. So passive income score, 1 out of 10. This is very much active income. There's really nothing passive about brand deals. Brand deals are a real income stream and I'm grateful for them, but they are not the foundation I would tell you to build your business on. They are inconsistent, work heavy, and you can't scale them the way you can scale a digital product. Think of them as a nice bonus, not a business model. Income stream number 4 is affiliate links. This might be the easiest money I make in my business, and it starts with literally just the tools you're already using. Affiliate links are unique tracking links you share for products or tools you recommend. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. No product to create, no customer service, and no fulfillment. You just share the link and you earn money. I actually got my start with affiliate links way back when I was blogging before I ever had a YouTube channel. Back then you would put links in your blog post, and now I put them in the description of my YouTube videos and just talk about them naturally when they are relevant to what I'm teaching in my video. The rule is simple. I only promote things I actually use. If I love a tool, I check if they have an affiliate program, I sign up, and I drop the link in my description, and that's it. Right now, I'm making around $3,000 a month from affiliate sales. My 2 main affiliates are System.io, the tool that I use to run my email list, funnels, checkout pages, and School, which is the platform that I use for my membership community. Now, affiliate commissions vary a lot. I have seen programs pay 5%. I have seen programs pay 100%, which sounds crazy, but it happens. It really depends on the company. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: you are just talking about tools you already use and love. You sign up, you drop the link in your description, mention it when it's relevant to your videos, and money appears. It's probably the lowest effort income stream that I have. Cons: I genuinely struggle to think of cons here. Some affiliate portals make you manually transfer funds every single month, which can be mildly annoying, but that's about it. One thing I do want to say is to make sure you promote affiliate links ethically. Only promote things you actually use and believe in. If someone buys something on your recommendation and hates it, they are going to associate that negative experience with you. Your reputation is worth way more than any affiliate commission. So passive income score, 8 out of 10. Once your videos are out there, the affiliate links in the description earn forever. Affiliate income is one of those things that people overlook when they are starting out, but it is genuinely one of the best income streams that you can have. Set it up once, weave it into your content naturally, and let it run. And if you're ready to learn what type of digital product you should sell, how to sell it, and how to get to 10K months, check out my free on-demand training, How to Create and Sell Your Own Digital Products with YouTube. The link is in the description below this video. All right, income stream number 5 is my membership. This is the income stream that changed everything for me. And it's the one that makes up over 90% of my yearly income every year. A membership is a recurring revenue digital product where members pay monthly or yearly to access your program, community, coaching calls, or all three. Unlike a one-time course purchase, members keep paying as long as they're a member, which means you are building real compounding income month over month. And when I say membership, I am not talking about a YouTube membership or a Patreon. I am talking about a membership as a digital product. This typically contains a program, a community, and some kind of Q&A calls, etc. My membership is called Freedom Creator Club, and it's my flagship product. This is where I teach people everything: how to grow on YouTube, how to create and sell digital products, how to build a real online business. We have an active community of over 600 members. We do weekly Q&A calls, a leaderboard where members can earn prizes for participating, a step-by-step program, and more. My membership earns anywhere from $20,000 to $60,000 per month, and this is by far my largest income stream. It's over 90% of my total yearly income. The biggest thing I love about memberships is the MRR, monthly recurring revenue. You are not starting your business at $0 every single month. Sales from last month carry forward, and that makes running an online business way more sustainable. Now let me bust a huge misconception. People seem to think that memberships require you to constantly churn out new content to keep people from canceling. This is simply not true. If you keep adding more content, you are going to overwhelm your members and they will actually leave faster. You do not need to keep adding. You need to simply focus on helping your members take action, get wins, and ultimately get to the goal your membership is promising. And here's the other thing. Memberships are AI proof. Claude and ChatGPT cannot host a live Q&A call with your members. AI cannot cultivate a community. That human connection is the reason people stay. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: monthly recurring revenue. One flagship product that houses your entire program, community, and coaching, and it doesn't require a huge audience. Cons: more work than a standalone digital product like an ebook. You'll want a program built out and you'll need to show up for Q&A calls or have someone do that, but it's a lot less work than most people think. Passive income score, I would give this 7 out of 10. The recurring revenue part is incredibly passive. The community and Q&A calls require active involvement, but the revenue to effort ratio is the best of anything on this list. If I had to boil down my entire business, it's this: grow on YouTube, build an email list, and sell a membership. That's the model that took me to 60K months. And the most wild part, I was already at 10K months in my membership revenue before I ever hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. You do not need a massive following. You need the right product and the right positioning. Now you might be thinking, Molly, this sounds great, but it's easy for you because you already have a following. And yes, I have a following, but only because I decided to grow one. And that's the same exact choice sitting right in front of you right now. I didn't start all 5 of these income streams at once. I started with a YouTube channel, I pre-sold my membership and built it over time. I hit $10,000 a month in membership revenue before I even had 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Then I got monetized, then brand deals started coming in. It was one step at a time, and that's exactly how it can go for you. I have been building online businesses since I was 19 years old and I'm 38 now. I've made all the complicated mistakes, and what I know for certain is simple scales. You don't need 5 income streams right now. You need to pick one, start it, and build from there. And remember, if you're ready to learn what type of digital product you can sell, how to sell it, and how to get to 10K months, check out my free on-demand training, How to Create and Sell Your Own Digital Products with YouTube. The link is in the description below this video. Now that you know how I make make money online, you might be wondering, okay, but how do I actually grow the YouTube channel that makes all of this possible? How do I get started when I have 0 subscribers, 0 views, and no one knows who I am yet? Well, it all starts with watching this video here next, because when you pair what you just learned with the income streams that are in this video, it's going to be so much more powerful. See you in the next one.